Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to turn off location on iPhone without anyone knowing. So the first tip that I am going to show you is very easy. You just have to turn on the airplane mode of your phone, and in that way everything will be shut down, including your cellular data, your location, so no one can track you down. And then the second one, um, I think this is the best way among the rest. So just go to your phone settings and then click on privacy. Okay, now click on location services. And then toggle the switch off here. Okay, turn this switch off here at the top right corner of your screen. Just click on it and then click on turn off. So right after that, sharing your location from this iPhone is disabled. Turn on location services to enable it or choose another device. So that's it. Now the last tip that I can give you in order to turn off location on iPhone is to shut your phone down. Okay, just click on the press and hold the power button and then slide to your right in order to shut down your phone, and in that way no one could be able to track you down. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can turn off your location on iPhone without anyone knowing. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.